Hair tutorials. They seem to be everywhere these days. From YouTube to Instagram to Pinterest, there is no shortage of videos and photos showing people how to achieve the perfect hairstyle. And I have to admit, I have watched my fair share of them. I remember the first time I stumbled upon a hair tutorial. It was a simple video showing how to create loose curls using a curling wand. I was mesmerized as I watched the girl on the screen effortlessly wrap her hair around the wand and release perfect, bouncy curls. I immediately went out and bought a curling wand of my own, determined to recreate the look. As I sat in front of my bathroom mirror, curling wand in hand, I tried to mimic the movements I had seen in the tutorial. But no matter how hard I tried, my curls just didn't look the same. They were lopsided, uneven, and far from the effortless waves I had seen in the video. I felt defeated, like I would never be able to achieve the same level of perfection. But I didn't give up. I watched more tutorials, trying different techniques and products to see what worked best for my hair. I learned about the importance of heat protectant, the difference between a curling wand and a curling iron, and the best way to hold the wand to create different types of curls. Slowly but surely, my curling skills improved, and I was able to create the loose, bouncy curls I had always dreamed of. From there, I moved on to more advanced tutorials. I learned how to braid my hair in intricate patterns, how to create the perfect messy bun, and how to use hot rollers to achieve voluminous waves. Each tutorial taught me something new, expanding my hairstyling repertoire and giving me the confidence to try new looks. I even started experimenting with hair color, using tutorials to learn how to balayage my own hair at home. I watched as the experts painted on the bleach, wrapped sections in foil, and waited for the color to develop. It was a nerve-wracking process, but with each tutorial I watched, I felt more prepared and more confident in my abilities. And then there were the updo tutorials. From elegant chignons to intricate braided styles, I was amazed at the creativity and skill that went into creating these looks. I spent hours practicing different updos, trying to perfect the twists and turns that would transform my hair into a work of art. But as much as I loved watching and learning from hair tutorials, I also began to see their limitations. No matter how many videos I watched or techniques I tried, my hair would never look exactly like the hair in the tutorial. My hair was unique, with its own texture, thickness, and quirks that made it different from anyone else's. I realized that while tutorials could be a great source of inspiration and guidance, they could never replace the personal touch and creativity that came from experimenting with my own hair. I started to trust my instincts more, playing around with different styles and techniques to see what worked best for me. And you know what? I started to have fun with my hair again. I stopped worrying about achieving perfection and instead focused on expressing myself through my hair. I tried bold colors, daring cuts, and playful accessories, embracing the uniqueness of my hair and celebrating its individuality. Hair tutorials may have taught me the basics of styling and coloring my hair, but they also taught me something more important: to embrace my hair for what it is and to have fun with it. So whether I'm rocking loose curls, a sleek updo, or a bold new color, I know that my hair is a reflection of who I am, and that's all that really matters.